Guys, I just finished installing my hair and I did a video on how I install my hair for the very first time. I've not done installation on myself before.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe.
Not 100% synthetic, it's not 100% human hair. So we are going to be installing this hair together. So let's see. I watched a lot of video and they said use one stick to take your hair back. First, now I've put my lace tint, so let me use just, don't know why I'm anxious, like I'm just praying it covers well. Use my, yep. Then it is time to cut the excess lace. So well, I'm going to be getting more synthetic hair frontal to be able to know how to do my lace. Yes, I think that's got it for this. Okay, I've got the lace now. So yeah, to use my got to be glue now. Spray it inside the cup. Then just put it. I don't want to spray it on my face because this is my first time putting it, so I don't want it to be too. Guys, the glue did not work. Did not work. Okay, let me just section it. Yeah, I think we'll leave this for some time, then come back later to check it out and see. Okay guys, I'm done restoring. Hope I did well. I just want to brush and do the rest things now. Yeah, and do the pattern. Better like this. The other one was just too flat. Guys, I'm done. Can you see? Thank you guys for watching. If you've watched the video up to now, let me know your comment. How did I do? Hope I did well with the installation. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.